Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to share a link of your Canva templates in this full 2026 walkthrough. If you've ever needed to send a design to a client, a team member, or just, share a template people can reuse, this is the easiest way to do it. All right, so let's get started. First, open the design you want to share as a template. It can be anything, a poster, a thumbnail, a presentation, whatever you've created. Once your design loads, look at the top right corner and click the share button. This is where all your sharing options live. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Inside the share menu, choose the option that says template link or share as template. This is super important because a regular link just shows the design, but a template link lets others make their own copy without touching yours. If you don't see the template link option right away, make sure the permissions are set to allow others to access the design. Just switch the access to anyone with the link so they can open it. Now go ahead and copy the link. Canva will generate a special template link that creates a brand new copy for whoever clicks it. So yeah, your original design stays completely safe. And from here, you can paste the link anywhere you want. Email, Messenger, WhatsApp, Google Docs, wherever. Anyone who opens it will get the option to use your design as their own template. And that's basically it. You now know how to share a Canva template link in this full 2026 guide. It's quick, it's clean, and honestly, super helpful if you're working with a team or selling digital templates. If this tutorial helped you out, yeah, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any upcoming guides.